Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Alma. Thank you guys so much for joining me today, and this is the makeup look I created today, perfect for Valentine's. It's coming up real quick, so I'm just thinking about all these looks that I can use for Valentine's. Very Valentine's. I'm in the vibe already. Yeah, I know it's January, but I'm already in the Valentine's vibe. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed creating it. Stay tuned so you can see how I did it. And thank you guys so much. Subscribe if you haven't. And enjoy the video. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Okay, I'm so excited to do this look because I just love filming. Oh my God, it's just... I always try to find the moment to just sit down and have a me time so I can glam and just feel good for the rest of the day. Let's get started. Obviously, I put on my foundation already, and I'm going to show you the products I used. Okay, so I moisturized with the Trader Joe's antioxidant facial moisturizer. I love this one so much. At night, I've been using the La Roche-Posay, so I'm still using this, okay? I am not letting go because I love it. And I also use their face wash. Is awesome. I love their products. And then for primer, I use the Sephora Smooth and Blur. And then foundation, I use the Milani Conceal and Perfect. A little combination of like high-end and low-end items is always my thing. Okay, so I haven't primed my lid. I already did my brows. So let's prime my lid. I had to do my brows and my foundation. I just feel like that takes time, and you guys already seen me do it plenty of times, so let's skip that today. I hope everyone's having a great day today. It's nice and rainy out there, so we're all cozied up at home, you know, with the cat and Lily and some coffee. Let me know what you guys are up to. What do you guys like to do on a rainy day? What do I like to do? Man, I just like to cuddle, stay home, and throw a blanket on me and watch movies, Netflix, or documentaries. I love documentaries. Okay, once the foundation, once I got the primer on my lids, I like to go on top of that and put powder so I can seal it and be able to blend my eyeshadows. So today I'm going for a Valentine Day look. Valentine's is coming up, and you know, I just want to see what other stuff I can do, you know. I want to do like a neutral eye, and I got these two lippies that I want to use today. They're my new lippies. They're colors, new colors. I got the Super Stay Vinyl Ink by Maybelline. Okay, this one is $150. It's called Striking. Okay, this one, the pink, and this one is called Sultry, $160. And I want to use these with my neutral eyes. Try to do simple eyes, maybe like a wing liner and, you know, bright pink lip or the sultry color. We'll see how it comes out. Okay, so now that I have my lids set and prime ready to go, I'm gonna pick up a brown color. This one is Espresso Yourself by Makeup Geek. So I'm gonna pick that up with my fluffy brush. And this brush is by Equal Tools. It's called Taper Blending, so I'm using that. And I'm just placing it on my crease. Very lightly. I don't want it too harsh, so I have to blend it really, really good. Really, really good. So I wanted to talk about what I did this weekend. For the first time, I made champurrado, and that thing came out so good. Super sweet. I should have added more milk, but I literally just served myself like this much in my cup because it was way too sweet. I'm like, yo, I love it, but I can't drink the whole thing. I poured a little bit and I couldn't drink it. But I love champurrado. I had it with a Mexican, duh. So I had to have it with my little panecitos, my little bread and stuff. Okay, so now that I have the color all across my crease, I'm gonna pick up a lighter shade of color. Let me look for one. Okay, so I found one. This one is inside this NYX palette. Okay, and I'm gonna pick this. It's like a shimmery pale color right here. I'm gonna pick that up. It's just a perfect shade for my lid. I need to go find one like this, maybe in MAC or something. But I like because it has a slight shimmer, and you can also put it up here to highlight your brow bone, like underneath your eyebrows, so you can have that lift, you know what I mean? Just a tad bit, because it does have shimmer. Unless you want to go in with like see, just whatever's left in the brush, I go and just place it up here. Uh-oh, it's raining. It's pouring out there. I woke up at like, oh my God, I think it was almost 6 in the morning, because I felt the rain just splash against the window like somebody threw buckets and buckets of water. And I'm like, whoa, dude, that's strong. And I get up and the cat is like nowhere to be found. Well, I was like, where is she? She was like, she usually sleeps with us in the bed and like by our feet or in between our feet or legs or something. She always finds a way there, and I didn't see her, and I kind of was like, wait, where is she? So I see her. She was still in the room. I just picked her up, put her with us. Like, you know, it was just raining. It was strong, and I kind of lost my sleep a little bit, but it's kill. I did a little wing liner. I think that's it for my shadow. I don't want to do too much because I don't want it to take away attention from my lips, because I'm gonna do some cute lip. So I use this L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black eyeliner. It's a liquid eyeliner, and I have hooded eyes, so I had to do it off camera because I need the mirror literally in front of my face so I can see it. Because look, see, I had to just get it right. Okay, so I'm gonna do my lashes. Well, let's do my concealer, okay? So I'm gonna use this one by L'Oreal, Infallible. And I'm gonna put a little bit here. I have lip oil, and the one I'm using right now is the Milani. I have to have lip oil. I'm gonna use this angled brush. It's by Real Techniques. For a second, I'm like, wait, what brush is it? So I'm just gonna use that to spread out my concealer. Okay, so now I'm gonna pick up my powder. I'm gonna use the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. And I'm gonna pick it up with my powder, little powder puff here, and set everything down. Okay, so my lashes are on, and the ones I'm using today is the Kiss Bear Affair. Bear Affair, and I love these. They're really cute and very wispy, long on the ends and a little short on the middle. You can also cut these up and put them like under. I'm gonna try that next time. And then the mascara that I used is the Maybelline Define-A-Lash. It's my favorite of all time. I've been using that. I keep going back to that for years and years. Okay, so now let's contour the face a little bit. I don't want to go too harsh. Let's just go for it. I'm going to use this angled brush. It's the Eco Tools Angled Complexion, okay? Looks like this, and I'm going to pick up the Complicated by Makeup Geek. Put some on my brush and contour a tad bit. I don't want to do too much. Okay. I don't want to do too much and it goes overboard. I'm gonna use a tinier brush for my nose. I think I did enough. Anyways. This one's Real Techniques one as well. Okay, I feel like I went too far, so I'm gonna get my powder brush and diffuse this one. And a little bit here. I didn't put nothing on my brush. It's just to diffuse that contour. All right. I'm gonna dab off the oil. And I'm gonna try on the very, very pink one. It's called Striking, okay? Striking 150. And I'm gonna put it on. I love these. I love, love, love these. Wow, look at this color. Oh my goodness, so pretty. This is perfect Valentine's, very subtle, very cute, and then you got the pop on your lip. It's so cute. I'm gonna try on the other one right now. I just want to feel this one out. I feel like my Cupid's bow is a little off. I don't know. It feels like, oh wait, I didn't even do my blush. Let me get my blush. Okay, so I picked up the Makeup Revolution blush palette, and let me get my blush brush. And I think I'm gonna do like maybe these two colors together. I'm like, what's missing? Something's missing. I'm so retarded. What do you guys think? Look at the lips. They're drying now. And they look like they're not going nowhere. What if I do a little shimmer on my cheek? Like this one. Or check it out. I pulled out my Sugar Glow Kit by Anastasia. And I'm going to go in with the Starburst. The pinkier tone one. Look, see? I'm going to place it right about there. I think that was too much. Okay, let me pick up my little fan brush. it's already there. Let me pick this up with my fan brush. Hopefully it doesn't go on too harsh. Just on top of the cheekbones, right up high right here. You guys see it? I love it. Perfect Valentine's look. Okay, now I'm gonna take this lipstick off. It's dry already. I feel like it does transfer a little bit. A little bit. Probably needs more drying. But anyways, let me do the other one. Let me show you guys the other color. And you guys tell me which color looked better for this face. For this. Or which color you guys would prefer. Okay, I just opened this. This one's called Sultry. And let's go right in. It looks like a mauve color. Let's see how it comes out. Yeah. This mauve color is really cute too. But I really love the pink one. Let me know what you guys think. Which one do you guys prefer? Which one? I like both colors, but my favorite one is the really, really pink one. It's called Striking. I love this one. But let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. And this concludes my makeup video, everybody. I know I have Lily's little tent back there. She saw it in the closet and she's like, let me have it. So that's my background for now. Okay, everybody, and this concludes my makeup video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I did in this beautiful rainy day. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next video. And for all my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for visiting my channel back again and for your support. And thank you. And I'll see you guys on the next video.